ra I Adelbert kamatre kam jong ka Lokayukta hayeng doba ha kene ka Lokayukta kila bandon sangut ki member kumbala de pensai da menteri rangba bat kini ki sangut ha kene ka Lokayukta kide kinong tre la tokit la luit kino ki kambam sap ka pisa pajba haba kli la I Adelbert ikwa ban weng no ne am kene ka resolution haba ka yeng ka klampnyang I MLA iklam weng satya bat haba ya dei bat kene ka Lokayukta nakaliang UCM ula ong ba Lehse I MLA iklam sngewthuh ha halor kane ka an ne ka amendment bala de pensai ha u
whether the mover will withdraw his resolution or not. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I stand on my strong spirit of understanding that amendment of this Lokayukta 2021 is totally diluted the full composition of Lokayukta. So therefore, I will not withdraw.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, if I may just summarize what I just read out. I think the Honourable Member has not understood the entire context of what I was trying to say. So the only amendment we made was in the word and or, which technically means, sir, that the Lokayukta today, in the earlier bill, unless and until all 5 members are appointed, whether there is a case or whether there is no case, unless 5 people are appointed, the Lokayukta cannot function. Now what we made amendment is that even if there's one chairperson is appointed, even then the Lokayukta can function. It does not mean that there cannot be 5 members. It says or, which means it can function with 1 member also, 2 member also, 3 members, 4 members or 5 members. So therefore it is a flexible option that has been given, which will make it easy for the government to ensure that Lokayukta is functional at any given time. For example, sir, suppose the term of a particular member goes, is over. And for some reason we are now at 4 members and not 5. Based on the old act, the Lokayukta will stop functioning. It cannot function. But now with this provision, even with 4 members, it can continue till we appoint the 5th member. So it's a very, very logical and a practical way to ensure that Lokayukta functions at any given time. This is precisely strengthening the Lokayukta Act so that at no given time does the Lokayukta not function. So therefore, I fail to understand why this issue is. As I said, it does not stop us from appointing more. If the Honourable Member says that, well, we should appoint more members, that's a valid point. We can discuss on that. But the question of not going ahead with this amendment is actually going very much against his purpose and the purpose for which the Lokayukta has been created. Because as of now, as I said, if you don't appoint all the members, with the 2014 Act, we will not be able to function, and that time only the chairman was there. So therefore, there are many factors like costs and other areas are there. As I said, like if appointing 5 members and suppose there are no cases. So all these factors have to be looked into when we moved ahead. So we have given flexibility to the bill, to the act, by simply giving the option that a Lokayukta can function with 1 member, 2 members, 3 members, 4 or full 5 members. In the earlier act, only 5 full bench could function, and that's the reason why the Lokayukta, even after the chairman was appointed, the Lokayukta was actually declared as non-functional. So that is what the basic point is, sir. I can't explain it any further, but again I request the Honourable Member to withdraw the resolution, sir.
Now, I repeat again, whether the mover of the resolution would like to withdraw his resolution or not. So as I have said, when we come to a court of law, a single word it may interpret to 1 sentence, or to 2 sentences, or to 3 sentences. Therefore, I still stand by my side, by my principle, that the words "and" means definite. The words "or" means option. Therefore, I stand by my principle, I will not withdraw.